like him, like, in your eyes? Like, you pulled on the rope.
Stop, shut up, guy.
Where's my feet?
Right there on the track. Nice job, Mike.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
That's good. That's good, Dad.
Don't go up. Don't go up.
You want to come down?
No. Wait, oh, man.
What? It's good. It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, you gotta come down though.
I do?
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm kind of dying.
No, you're not.
Hey, what do I do?
Lean back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm dead serious. Alright, alright. Just stand up.
Stand up, like on a rock.
Alright, don't hold the rope. Just lean back. Yeah, start walking back. Start walking back. Yeah?
I'm kind of afraid.
Don't worry about it. Stop. Walk back. That's it.
I walk back and with
Well, turn the other way.
Just like that. It's completely cool. I got you here. I held you before. Go ahead.
Don't look down, Mike. Don't look down. Put your both feet on the rock. That's it. That's it.
Good job, man.
Yep.
Kick the rock a bit.
Oh.
That's cool. That's cool.
Turn it.
What happened?
What? Scratch yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, it's a badge of honor.
That was boring.
Yeah, you can show everyone. Look at it, I did rock climbing, dude.
The ground.
And then be like, wow, that was real rock climbing. Yeah, man.
Spot.
Nice job, dude.
Ground.
Awesome.